Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, January 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound dollar monthly, I still think this is an uptrend. I still think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 uptrend that we're forming, which I think is probably part of a wave C, especially looking at correlated dollar pairs. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I actually think this is a running flat. I think this is a 1. I believe this is 3 waves down for the A, 3 waves up for the B, and then 5 waves down for the wave C. We got a higher high wave B and a higher high wave C, which is why it fits the characteristics of a running flat very well, telling me that this is probably a wave 3 now, and this is probably going to, on this time frame, continue to make higher highs, higher lows to form that pattern like I was showing on the monthly for that wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely have the shape of a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right here. We don't have any break of structure to the downside, so we can't even really say that this wave 5 is over. It very easily could continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up. Looking at all correlated dollar pairs, I mean, it does make a lot of sense for this to be a wave 1, for this to make a correction. That would be at least a 50% correction for a wave 2, and then eventually go up for a wave 3. Now, since this is all probably a wave 3 on the weekly and the monthly, it's probably a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and eventually go up for that wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, like I said, it would make a lot of sense for this to go down again. I think this is very clearly a downtrend, and to me, this looks like an A, B, and C. It would make a lot of sense if it did pop up one more time, maybe bounce out to 78% before it actually did end up going down. But if it starts making lower lows, lower highs, especially on shorter time frames on this move down, we definitely better pay attention because it potentially could have already ended this wave B, and it potentially could already be going down for that wave C. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, to me, it still looks like this is very impulsive up and this is kind of corrective down. So if this does make it a nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside with a break of structure, I think that would be a nice entry to go long. This is probably all part of an ABCD. E possibly, like this is A, B, C, D, E, or just extended ABC correction. Either way, if it goes up to a Fibonacci level, if it makes a positive down, if it makes a break of structure, that's exactly what I would be looking for the bigger entry to go short for the continuation of this wave C. But shorter term, there may be a nice little long opportunity if the market does make a nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.